Okay, we are out fishing outside of Romancoke on the Eastern Bay. The pier is back there towards land. It's like 3/4 of a moon. There's the fish finder with GPS. And we got a sunrise and two other kayakers, Don and his buddy, are coming this way. So far I've caught a double head of perch, nothing else. I've just had an attack of 3 fish just now. Got ourselves a croaker and another croaker and a perch. My fish finder is showing a pot of fish. So hopefully my lines will go off soon. It's supposed to be a hot one today. Temperature's supposed to be up in the 90s. I'm in 16 feet of water. So far, I haven't seen any spots, so that's interesting. Been catching spots here like crazy. Maybe as the sun comes up higher, maybe their activity will increase. But for now, it's been pretty much perch and croakers. A big pot of fish showing up on my fish finder. So far, no take. Oh, fish on. Up. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, fat perch. There he goes, in the boat. Okay, we're gonna put this perch on the stringer. Doing this little one-armed. Okay, put it in the mouth, through his gills. There he goes. Now he's like a doggy. Any luck? Yeah, the current's really whipping. Fish on. Okay, what do we got here? Double perch. There we go, fish on. Perch probably. Yeah. We got, oh, finally a spot. There you go. It finally showed up. We got another one hitting over here. Yep, there we go. Got him another fish on. Little spot. And spot on the side. I saw you fighting with something. What'd you get? No fish? Ah. Fish on! Oh, yeah! Ah. Come to Papa. Spot or croaker? Spot! A spot. Yep.